Hello everybody and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can settle a new island in Anno 1800. So with Anno 1800, in order to settle a new island you're going to need some ships. You can do this with the first tier of ships in the early game if you want, but obviously here I've got some bigger ones. And all you need to actually do is just basically get some steel beams, which you can see this ship has just here. And I've also got some wood here. And if we come up to the shoreline, you can actually see now that these two building plans have formed just here. And all I actually need to do here is go ahead, I just press one, and you can see build trading post. By clicking this, it will construct it. It takes 10 timber and 8 steel, along with 35 influence. And all I need to do is just go ahead and click build trading post. And you can see here now on the mini map that the island has turned black, which is my color. And the AIs are reacting to that. But I can now go ahead and build on this island and start building up a settlement here. And that's it. That's all you need to do to claim an island in Anno 1800. I hope this tutorial has helped.